I have found out that all you need to be happy in this world is a good imagination and a great pile of junk. Hi guys, welcome back to the craft table. And if you are new here, I want to say a big thank you and big welcome, and I hope you enjoy. So today, after the last tutorial where I played with the glitter and the glue and made Druzy Stones, I went looking. I was asked to do some earrings. Well, I could not find any small bezels for the earrings, but I did, going through my, I'm going to say little, but it's probably not, box of old jewelry and stuff that I picked up and been given. I did find some stuff that we could use, and very retro. We're going very retro here. But I found some stuff that would look great, maybe upcycled a little bit. This right here, I'm not sure where I got it. It was in the bottom of the box, and it's plastic. It's a sailing ship, and I'm going to take these things apart, and we're going to do the same technique, only a different way this time. I love to experiment. So, alright, this is what we're going to need. The basics. I'm using my triple thick. I got a bunch of glitter here. I've got the regular white, our iridescent. I've got some blue, some diamond dust, pink. This is the extra fine. I've got my ultra fine, and just some little light pink that I found. So glue, glitter. Don't forget your toothpicks. And I found these while I was looking for old jewelry, and I thought I'm going to give these a try. Now these are going to be like the main star of the show, and some old jewelry that you can pick apart, and that's what these are for. These are just some tools that I'm going to be popping the stones and stuff out of, like these, and replacing them with the new Druzy glitter stuff. So, and these are very old, and nothing I own is expensive, so they are glued on the back, and I'm pretty sure that they will pop, pop right off. As you can see, they're just little, they're not even glass, they're plastic. And just like that, pop them off. These ones, I am going to try, see how this is cupped on the back. I thought I would turn the bottom part around, if I can get them unattached from the top part. We will see. This actually came like this. This is the back. This is the front. Front's not very pretty, but it is concave and has a small ridge. And I thought, well, why not turn it around? And it looks like it had tape or something on it, but pretty sticky. And these, and I'm hoping, this is plastic, and I'm hoping to get just that piece out. Yep, I felt it pop. There it is, another piece of plastic. And now I have a nice little ridge to put in the middle. This, oh, it's actually loose already. I can feel it moving. Oh, nice. Wow. Okay, so do not throw these things away. You never know. You never know. But we're going to start with these. And I'm going to show you, hopefully, a nice, easy way to do this. And I was doing this because I confess I did order some earring bezels, and they're very small. So I was thinking they're going to be hard to mix all this stuff in something so small. So what could I do? So here, I'll show you. I'm going to take some of the triple thick, and I'm going to scoop it right into that little container. And it doesn't have to be one of these fancy dancy little plastic containers. You could use a bottle cap. Would work just as well because you're going to throw it away afterwards anyway. But I happened to find them, and they were actually the inspiration for this whole idea. So I thought I would give them their 15 minutes of fame. So, let's see. I think I need more. Now, there is about this much. I don't know, you probably can't see it, but there's quite a bit compared to what we used singly. And I am going to go with the pink. I got it out the last time, did not use it. So I'm going to try pink. And I'm going to toss it right in there. And stir it up. Like we're baking a glitter cake. And it starts to immediately go to like dough. And I'm going to get it all mixed up in there. And I think I will, it's such a pretty color, I think I will add a little bit, just a little of the diamond dust. See how pretty that is? And it's pretty chunky. So, and we do want this fairly chunky. Stir some more, just like making a cake. Alright, that looks pretty stiff enough to me. You want it a little stiff. Like that. Kind of like a very soft clay. And I am going to, let's use this one, since it's so sticky and I hate touching it, to cover that up. So, like I said, I am going to let these sit and probably 15 to 30 minutes, come back and take another toothpick and start making the little crystal. Don't go away. More to come. Alright, we've waited about 30 minutes, and now I'm going to start adding some texture. And basically, I'm just taking my toothpick and making it bumpy. You do not have to do this. You can leave it nice and flat, but I enjoy the texture. So just kind of poke holes. Just like that. See how easy? And there we go. How pretty. And we will do this, the same thing to all of them. Just texture them up. And then we'll let them sit for 24 hours. And that way they're nice and hard. And we will come back and see what we have. Okay, this is what we have. These have set overnight, and I really wish you could see the sparkle in these. Oh gosh, these are gorgeous. So pretty. These really do look like natural stones. They are absolutely gorgeous. And very hard, just like a rock. Even this one, remember this one? It was supposed to look like this. And I just filled the back with some glue and glitter. And this one, very, very pretty. So there we have it. Pieces of jewelry that would have sat in the bottom of a box or a drawer, probably to be tossed out, now make beautiful gifts. Can be worn with pride, and people will say, "Oh my gosh, how beautiful." And all it was is a little bit of glue and glitter. So, I want to thank you so much for taking that time out of your day to spend some time with me. And I hope you were able to find that little spark of inspiration to get the imagination going. You know me and my imagination. And if you enjoyed this and would like to see more of these, and trust me, I'm not done with this glue and glitter stuff. Not at all. But if you'd like to see more, and if you'd like to know when my tutorials go up, hit the subscribe and make sure to hit that little bell, and maybe, just maybe, they'll let you know when my next tutorial goes up. So I hope you all had a wonderful time, and I hope you have a great week, and I promise I will see you soon. So bye bye now.